to SQL06. Today we are going to see on how to check an up and running status in IICS. That is, whenever we are opening IICS tools, we will see this kind of runtime environment in data integrations. Okay, in data integrations we will see this one. Okay, here it is showing that our secure agent, that is our laptop name, this is a laptop name, this secure agent, not all the services are running. Okay, and also once we checked on this secure agent, we can get these status and all, that is error, up and running, startup, error and error, like that we are getting. Now we will see how we can solve this particular thing and how we can work on that IICS in data integrations. Let's see. Whenever we are working on data integrations, okay, sometimes we may get chance, that is our runtime environment, secure agent, not all the services are running. If it is showing like that, means we should see how we can run that all the services. Okay, just enter this secure agent, it automatically redirect to that next pages, that is administration page. It will be redirected. See here, administrations main runtime environment, it will automatically redirect to the administration pages. Okay, there you can check and do the status all are up and running. Now go to our secure agent part. Okay, once you are moving to the secure agent part, it will show that details and audit log, it will be show that. Okay, now go a little bit down here, see that we have that this service name and all, it is presented. Okay, now each of the services, it will be sometimes in the error also, sometimes it is up and running also. Whatever that state is up and running, leave it. How it is that, leave that one. Wherever the status you are seeing that error, just change the status to the up and running. Now see here, in down you can see that agent services start or stop. Okay, in down, go little bit down here. Okay, now you can see that each of the services here. Okay, each of the services we can see with help of the drop down list. Okay, now what are the services is not up and running, just stop the services. Then we can see that stop action will stop all the versions of the services. Once you are stopping means just click on the OK. Once you are clicking on the OK, okay, after that it just refresh the page and we can get that the status is starting the stated. Then here the changes actions, that is start action, it is present now. Click on this OK. Now the status, it will be changed to that starting up. Okay, like that we want to give wherever the status is showing on the error, that status we want to change. Now we can change mass injection. Okay, now stop this particular services. Okay, and then start the particular services. After the refreshing the page itself, it will refreshing. Now go to the mass injection. Okay, then start the services. In the pop-up box, it will come one pop-up box. Just click on the OK. That is, you are telling that start the services to the mass injections. Like that, wherever that error it is there, you can do it. Status process server, stop the services in a pop-up box, and after that it is refreshing the page. Then you can start the services. Go to the process server in the drop down list and start your services and click on OK. Okay, now this all the services, it is starting up, that is mass injections and common integrations component as well as the process server. Okay, everything it is starting up. It will take the 2 to 3 minutes maximum. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to start all the statuses up and running. Okay, and also you can refresh the status also. If you are doing the refresh the status, it will take each of the services, the status, it will be the starting up, then it will be moved to that up and running the state. Once we refresh the status, okay, Each of the services are changed into the status in up and running it is status. Once that all the services it is up and running only, we can able to do the mapping task or task flow in data integrations. Okay, so this way we can change the status. In upcoming videos, we will see that how we can load the data from flat file to flat file. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos on IICS as well as SQL. Thank you.